Hey, well, we're back again. So I'm still cooking the pork, the hot one. I bought 4 packages of that. This time out. Oh, no, something's in my eye. Okay, so I bought some more of this broccoli. Once the pork is cooked, you don't want to overcook the pork because then it'll taste funny. I'm gonna put that in. Yes, it's gonna have the chlorine, the broccoli. It tastes good with the broccoli instead of rice. You know, sometimes I would have bread. I can make the bread. That's easy to make. You know, something's in my eye to do it. It's kind of hard to do this right now. I don't know what's in my eye, but I'm trying to get this done. I picked up some more stuff. Black pepper and pink salt. Good in this. Whatever you like. And this comes out really good. So you're gonna steam this. You know, you're gonna use olive oil. Okay. I don't put brand names. We'll do the Walmart brand since you know that's like no brand. Just Walmart. Okay. So we're gonna put cheese in this. It's either pepper jack cheese. This is 24. If you find this, you can get that, or I like provolone cheese. Sometimes I snack on this one too. Can't help it to have it. I really don't need anything else. So right now it's pretty late at night. I know. I'm gonna be coming out with a recipe, so it's gonna look like this inside. See? I'm gonna cover this and steam it. Yeah, we have another fun treat coming out this week. It's supposed to come out last week, but it's been hard. But I have all the stuff to do it, and I don't want to talk about it now. So, but you'll just have to wait for that to come out. Okay? Thanks. All right. Here you go. There you go. This is Chef Albert. This week is my birthday. Well, it's on the 7th. Should there be a video out before then? Yeah, we're gonna do the treat video. Now you should be interested in that. I didn't able to get the 2. It's just 2 ingredients is needed for that. You'd be surprised. All right. So this is broccoli, cheese, and ground pork from Walmart. Everything's from Walmart. Okay. It's dinner on the budget. Okay. All right. Take care. Hey, click on the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Okay. Thanks for trying to reach, 1,000 subscribers. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye now. Bon appetit.